How to safely send money from PayPal to Wise. Now, if you've been trying to send money from PayPal to Wise and you want a direct way to do so and safely. Now, unfortunately, it is not possible to directly transfer, but it does not mean that you cannot transfer. There is still a way. And that is why we will get a bank account in between. So first, we will withdraw the funds from PayPal to our bank account, and from bank account, we will send it to our Wise account. So first you can see it's from Wise themselves. They say log into your PayPal account and go to wallet. So go to paypal.com and go to the wallet option from the very top. Once done, click on transfer money and select transfer to your bank. Select in 1 to 3 business days or in minutes. Instant withdrawals are subjected to a transfer fee. And once done, you will be able to send it to your linked bank account, right? So once you send money from PayPal to bank, go to your Wise account. Once you go to Wise, just click on add money within your account. So you can go to the card option or add money option right there. And once you go to payments and basically click on add money, you will be able to select your bank transfer as an option and click on continue to transfer it. This is how you can transfer from PayPal to Wise, but in an indirect way. I hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.